Hello and welcome to Phone Transformer. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to send long videos on Android so you can share high quality files without any restrictions. It is a very simple process once you use cloud storage. So now let's get started. Step 1, find and open the Google Drive app on your Android device to begin the process. This app comes pre-installed on most phones and serves as a digital storage space for all your large files and videos. Step 2, look for the colourful plus button located at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on it. This button is the primary tool for adding new content from your phone's internal memory directly into the cloud. Step 3, from the menu that pops up, you need to click the upload option to browse through your local storage. This step is important because it allows you to pick specific media files that are otherwise too large to send via text. Step 4, select the specific long video you want to send from your gallery or file folders. Once you tap on the file, the app will begin the uploading process so that the video is safely stored online for sharing. Step 5, find the video you just uploaded within your Drive list and click the 3 dots icon located right next to the file name. These dots open up a sub-menu of actions that allow you to manage permissions and sharing settings. Step 6, click on the copy the link option from the list to save the direct web address of your video to your clipboard. Having this link is essential because it allows anyone you share it with to view the video without losing any quality. Step 7, open your preferred messages app and simply paste the link into the chat with your recipient. By sending this link instead of the file itself, you bypass all size limits and ensure the other person can watch the full video instantly. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips